everybody, it's Adam again. Welcome back to my channel. But before I get started, hit the like button and subscribe. Today, this is a special video because today we're gonna do a beginner's guide, so you know how to do with Scratch and stuff, like how to program. So you go to Google, you type Scratch. Once you type Scratch, yeah, then it will come. Then you will be here. Then it will say here, create stories, games, and animations share with others around the world. So in Scratch, you can create stories, you can make games and animations. How do you begin? You you start create, but before you get started, I'm gonna say something else. So there are two options to go in Scratch. One, you join Scratch. What I'm here, join. Then you will see all of these stuff. And then we've got the offline one where you don't have an account. See, it still says join Scratch, but actually I am joined. But this is just like another tab. So, so that's the thing. So what you want to do is start create. Once you press create, you will be here or here offline, and this is when you have see accounts. I've added them again, accounts, and you can see that there are three sections here: code, costume, and sound. The code is where the blocks are, and you can see that here a lot of blocks. So what do they do? It's kind of like a language. This cat can only understand these blocks. You can't talk to him like, hey, guy. You know what you have to do? You have to jump, okay? When we press the right arrow. No, that's not gonna work. That's not how it works. You need to put with these blocks. You see that there are a lot of different type of blocks and stuff. And yeah, so code blocks. Here is like the screen of your game. Here are the blocks. And then you put your blocks in this coding tab. And if you put them in, like move 5 steps, move 10 steps, I mean, then we press that. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's going 10 steps. That's cool. That's how it works. So you don't need to use the cats because if you press this delete garbage button, then you delete the cat. Then you can choose a sprite, and then there are not millions, but there are a lot of sprites that you could choose, from animals to people to fantasy like ghosts or gobo or whatever that is, and stuff like that. Or you can also paint your own character. So I'm quickly gonna paint something just like that, like that, and I'm gonna put the line here. Boom, 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 and boom. We've got a little person here. Yeah, not little, ginormous. So you could put by the sounds. You see here, pop. It's a pop sound. If you press that, that will come pop. But if you choose from a different sprite, like I will choose a chicken. In Wait, did I choose the chicken? No, I did not. Sorry. Okay, so wait. So if I press the chicken, oh, there are two chickens. So you go to sounds. Instead of a pop sound, it's a chirp and that kind of stuff. That's how it works. Yeah, but here's a pop. If you press here, you can choose your own. You could choose your own sounds and stuff. You got animal sounds, effects, loops, kind of like songs or loops actually. Or you could do this. You can record. I'm gonna record something. Hello. Wait, what? It doesn't work. I don't know why. It doesn't work by me, but you can record your own stuff. That's pretty cool, huh? And let's just do a simple game. Just when green flag click, these are events: motion, looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Those are kind of hard, yeah? But like before you begin, you always need when green, not always, but most of the time, you need When green flag clicked, you can see here's the green flag. Now it does nothing. And now we're just gonna put move 10 steps. So now when I go ba 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 ba, or we can then after that say it can turn, and then it will go da 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 da, do that and stuff like that. Pretty cool, huh? And you can do all, or you can also do go to random position. So go to random position, and then boom, it will go somewhere on the screen. Yeah. So this is the where the accounts version. If you want to save, what you do is you go to files and you can save it, yeah? But if you're offline, what you do is you go to files and then save to your computer. And once you save it to your computer, it's inside of your computer, you know? And you could give your you could give your game a name. I'm just gonna call it test. Test, yeah. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to believe in yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.